Welcome back everybody. Today on Car Fix we're going to be making a heart wall bit of art here. It's my wife and I's second wedding anniversary. I thought making something DIY and cheap and nice, as well as buying something obviously. So you will need obviously a heart template, some spray or paint to paint the back of your board, a hammer and some nails. First things first, we are going to, you'll also need some wool, which I haven't actually picked up yet, so I'm going to be making the nail part, spraying it, and I'll add to the video later when I get the wool and do the wool, because we need the paint to dry before we can do that. So let's get on with that to start with. So first of all, we're going to lay out our template. Just make sure obviously it's clean. Doesn't really matter about if you cut it out or not, I don't think, because you can just rip it off after you've got your nails in, as it is on your paper. This is a fairly big piece of wood, so I've got my template on two halves. I just need to line it all up, which is easier said than done. So something like that, I think. Should have probably taped it. So we get a few nails out. Got a random box in it here. I'm going to start by nailing the very bottom in and the very top. Just keep the paper in, and obviously you don't want to be hammering this all the way in and all the way through, else you won't be able to wrap the string around it. This board is just some old cabinet that I've cut out, sanded the sides off, and I'll paint later. The reason I'm putting the screws in first is you can either leave the screws so they look metallic, but what I'm going to do is, because I'm spray painting it gold, the background's gold, so the screws get painted gold as well. A lot of other people have done this. I see this, leave the nails silver, and obviously you can see them on the standing out, which I'm in two minds whether it will look better than painting them or not, but I'm going with painting them, so we'll see how that goes. I'm just going to space them a couple of centimetres apart, a centimetre or so apart, and go round. And you just follow it basically around your pattern so you've nailed them all in. Okay, so there we go. All the nails are in, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, they're probably a centimetre or so out. A couple are a little wonky. My hammering skills are not the best, but I don't think it really matters. Obviously you could space each one if you wanted, but I just pretty much guessworked it. There's a little bit tighter at the top, and I got a little bit looser because I thought I wasn't going to have enough nails. But anyway, what we're going to do is rip the template off. Make sure I get all this paper out. That looks good enough. Little wipe down. Paint I've got here is just some metallic gold spray paint from Wilko's hardware shop, or any spray paint will do really for this, doesn't really matter. So let's give it a shake. Let's get to spraying. You want to do nice long strokes. You don't want the paint to clump up. Probably do a couple of coats of this. Probably can't really see the colour difference on this wood in this light. In my garage, I'm afraid the light is terrible. Get all the edges too. And I know you could probably sand this all down for a better bite of the paint, but it really only needs a little DIY, vintagey looking supposed made from leftovers in the home job. It goes well. I might make another one with, you know, some nice wood. For the future, or even one for the kids. Like, make any pattern you want, cars, rainbows, anything. We might revisit this with a different pattern. Anyway, that's enough paint for now. So while that's drying, there's nothing else for you to do, so I'll leave it there and come back when we're stringing it up. Peace. Okay, so here we are, back in the garage. I've got myself some string. This just came from the pound shop. It was actually 3 for 2 at the pound shop, this wool, so you can't complain on value. And I'm just going to randomly stick this on. I'm going to tie it around the first one and knot it. Start at the bottom. I guess you can create whatever pattern you want. You can go up and down, up and down, up and down, or go all over the place. I think for this one, I am going to just go all over the place and see what it turns out like at the end. So just swing it around like that. Wrap it in a circle motion just to keep it grabbed, I guess. I'm going to try and keep it up and down as much as I can, rather than side to side. There's my dog, that racket in the background, is picking a stick up, trying to take off with it. guess we just got to keep doing this and doing this and doing this till we fill it all up. It might take a while, so I guess it's another time for a time lapse. Alright everyone, that's what I'm going for. So now I'm just going to knock the two ends together, if I can. Just a little bit of string here. Try and cut this with the old trusty teeth. Knock these up. Tuck that in and trim it off, obviously. And this is what it looks like, all finished. And I'll show you a picture once I've given it to it and we've hung it on the wall. So I'll be back when I do that. See you in a few. As you can see here, I'm just holding it up against the wall. I've now given her it, so I haven't actually hung it yet, but you can see it does look pretty good. Got to get some decent hooks with though, because it is quite a big board and quite heavy, so I've not had a chance to actually hang it. But it's definitely something simple to make, easy. Like I can say, you do it for your kids, anything really. Just a good little DIY project that is cheap, recyclable, and looks cool. So if you like these things or anything else I've done on the channel, hit the like, favourite and subscribe. And I will see you on the next video. Peace out, people.